Let's move up from your typical display screen of your iPhone to an iPad. Now I like using an iPad a little bit better because it gives you more detail when you're looking at what the drone is seeing. Now, this is your typical controller. And in order to hook up the iPad to your controller, it's got a little bit less stability once it's hooked up on the sides like this. And the other thing is the cable doesn't really attach that well. In fact, I'm not a very big fan of these cables. I recommend going to an Anker cable. The controller uses these very well, and they're very easy to set up. They've even got a USB port at the bottom. And in order to hold the iPad, I have a Mavic Pro Stint. The Mavic Pro Stint sets in the controller just like so. And then I can extend it so that it'll hold the iPad. There you have a controller with a Mavic Pro Stint, well supported.